What's up? This is Q Ill. I got two packs from my homegirl. She goes by the name C. She's from Finland, and she's the one that sent me those beautiful flower stickers a few updates ago. And she kept talking to me about how much she loved slap cancer, and she wanted to get involved again and help us out again. So she made these beautiful designs for us, these beautiful flower designs, which I think are amazing and very unique. Appreciate it so much. And also, these cool rings, they're all in different colors, and I like how they, are accented by the silver. Really cool idea. And more beautiful flowers. But I thought she also had a really cute idea, not to be mushy, but she made puzzle pieces so that they can go all around the world. And she said maybe someday, they could all join together, and we'll all be, part of a whole, part of a collective. And it's kind of like the same idea that I had, for Slap Cancer. It would bring all of us together in some weird way, even though we might come from all different places, around the world, in location, in society, whatever you want to say, like, just bring us together. And she gave me the honor of being the first piece. So I really appreciate that. I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm gonna put it in my black book, and everyone who gets these, I hope you guys put it in your black books or whatever. Just hold on to them, and someday if you do decide to come visit Cali or something, hit me up and let me know, and maybe we could connect that way and network. Well, thank you so much, C. If you have a different name you go by, let me know. And I really appreciate your artwork. I think it's very beautiful, and you should keep it going. Other than that, I think everyone just happy holidays, and this will be my last big update in a while, because I think I'm gonna just make sure I finish off school strong, and also just focus more on my artwork. So, you guys don't be sad if I don't update your pack like right after you send it. I'm just gonna try to do it as fast as I can, and I'm probably gonna try to do it, a group at a time. Like today, I'm doing like four, I think, together, just because. And to everyone who's been purchasing packs, tell your friends. And if you like the pack that you got, buy more. Because, I mean, we really need to just sell these out, and, blast that name out there. Q Legend, that's KYU, legend.bigcartel.com. And, QG35 at gmail.com. That's my personal email. And if you guys want to donate, just let me know. I'll give you my address, and we'll go from there. Okay, you guys? Peace out.